Hello children, good morning. Children, today we are going to start a new topic. So, take out your EVS notebook. Now, open a new page. Now, hold your pencil like this and write with me. First of all, we write here date. So, the date is 26, the month is 5 and the year 2020. We write here CW. Now, we write here today's topic. Okay? Our topic is SHRUBS, shrubs. Now, firstly, we know about the definition of shrubs. So, children, shrubs are a small woody plant with multiple permanent stems that are usually a little smaller than tree. Okay? Now, read this line. SHRUBS, shrubs. ARER, SMALL, small. PLANTS, plants. In shortly, shrubs are small plants. Okay? Now, start our work. Children, here we write some examples of shrubs. So, firstly we write here ROSE, rose. The next is HIBISCUS, hibiscus. And the last is JASMINE, jasmine. Write here numbers. Okay. Now come to this page. Write here date, HW, and write this line. PASTE, paste. ANYNE, 2. CUTTING, cutting. OF, off. SHRUBS, shrubs. So children, paste here any two cutting of shrubs. Okay? Now turn your page. Children, also we write here today's date. And CW. And here is our heading. Now read it carefully. HERBS, herbs. So here we know about herbs. Children, the definition of herb is a flavorful plant used to season food in cooking or a plant used as medicine. Now, here we write something about herb. So, read it. HERBS, herbs. ARER, VERY, very. SMALL, small. PLANTS, plants. So children, herbs are very small plants. Dot THEY they, HAVE have, SOFT soft, comma THIN thin, STEMS stems. They have soft thin stems. Okay. Now here we write some examples of herbs. So I am writing here CORIANDER, coriander. Now next is MINT, mint, and the last is TULSI, tulsi. Now here is our HW work. So write here date and HW. Now read it. PASTE, paste. ANYNE, to. CUTTING, cutting. OF, of. HERBS, herbs. So children, here you paste any two cutting of herbs. Okay? I hope you will understand both exercises. Thank you. Hello children, good morning. Children, welcome to our new chapter in our EVS notebook. So take out your EVS notebook and open a new page. Okay? Now hold your pencil like this. Children, firstly we write here today's date. Okay? 27/5/2020. Date is 27, the month is 5, and the year is 2020. Now we write here CW. Then we write here our heading. So today we start a new chapter, chapter 5. Okay? And the name of our chapter is FLOWERS, flowers. Okay? So children, flowers, we also know about the flower is a part of a plant which is often brightly colored, grows at the end of a stem, and it only survives for a short time. So children, flowers are very beautiful and flowers are of many colors. So here we write some examples of flowers. Now we write here numbers. Okay? Firstly we write here ROSE, rose. The next is LOTUS, lotus. LILY, lily. JASMINE, jasmine. And the last flower is SUN, sun. Flower, sunflower. Okay, now come to this page. Also we write here date, HW, and we write here our SW work. PASTE, paste, a flower, that you like most. Okay, now I hope you will understand this exercise. Thank you.